Annyeonghaseyo, I'm your pacer, Arusa. So this week I practiced the greetings in German. What about you? You practiced the Korean greetings? Let's get started. This is what we're gonna do. You see this English expression? You say that in Korean. And I say that in German. Alright? Let's get started. Hello, guten Tag. Guten Morgen. I'm doing great. You're doing great too? Well, fortunately, there's no such expression in Korean. Just say 안녕하세요 all the time. But good morning, good afternoon, good evening, right? Tschüss. Tschüssi. 잘한다. Doing great. Auf Wiedersehen. Yeah, this can be tricky because there are two versions, right? When you leave the place, you say 안녕히 계세요. When you send off somebody, 안녕히 가세요. This is super tricky, so one of my friends never spoke this correctly. So this is it, right? 안녕 for hi, 안녕 for bye. These are casual hello and goodbye in Korean. In a formal way, you say 안녕하세요 for goodbye, 안녕히 계세요, 안녕히 가세요. Good morning, 좋은 아침이에요 is a Korean expression, but I have to say it's a little bit awkward. Not many people use that expression. I've never used it in my life because that expression came from English, obviously. You did a great job and I did a great job too. Yes, we did it! We did it! Next week, I'm going to practice how to introduce myself in German and you do the same. And we meet again next Sunday, huh? Here's the video where you can practice how to introduce yourself. I hope you enjoy learning Korean expressions easily with fun. If you like this video, please hit like and leave a comment. It means a lot. Now I feel like I go to Germany, Berlin, and say Guten Tag to everybody that I meet. When you visit Korea, you can also say hi in Korean, huh? With confidence. Yes, we got this.